Welcome to this tutorial on building a machine learning prediction app using Streamlit. In this project, we'll walk through how to create an interactive app that allows users to upload datasets, train a machine learning model, and make predictions based on new input data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have built an app that can predict outcomes from any dataset using machine learning. Let's dive in.
First, let's import the necessary libraries. We'll need Streamlit for the interface, Pandas for data handling, and scikit-learn for building the machine learning model. We'll also import train_test_split to split our data into training and testing sets, random forest classifier as our model, and accuracy_score to evaluate how well our model performs. Let's get these libraries ready. Now that we have our libraries in place, let's set up the title and description for the app. The title will introduce the app, and the description will explain what the app does. Allows users to upload data, train a machine learning model, and make predictions. Next, let's add a file upload feature, so users can upload a CSV file containing their data. When a file is uploaded, our app will read it into a Pandas data frame and display the first few rows for a preview. This will give users a chance to verify that they've uploaded the correct dataset before proceeding. Now that we have the data, it's time to preprocess it. We'll assume the dataset has a target column named target. First, we separate the features x from the target variable y. We then split the data into training and testing sets using train_test_split. Once the data is ready, we train a random forest model and evaluate it using the accuracy score, which will tell us how well our model performs on the test data. Next, we'll allow users to input new data for prediction. For each feature in the dataset, users can enter a value through a number input field. These inputs will be collected into a dictionary, converted into a data frame, and then passed into the trained model for prediction. The result is then displayed on the app. This gives users the ability to make predictions with their own data. Streamlit app interface for predicting customer purchase behavior based on inputs like age, annual income, and spending score. A sample CSV file named data_prediction.csv is displayed in a preview table format with columns for customer ID, age, annual income, spending score, and target. The model's accuracy is shown as 0.83. Users can input values for each feature, and based on these inputs, the model provides a prediction output, indicating whether the customer is likely to make a purchase, 1 for yes, 0 for no. And that's it. You've now built a fully interactive machine learning prediction app using Streamlit. The app allows users to upload datasets, train a random forest model, and make predictions based on user input. You can extend this project by adding more sophisticated models, better data visualization, or even real-time predictions. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed building this app.